So good evening everyone. So myself Janani from Infinity PMC Solution. So today's session about introduction to Costex. What is Costex and how we can replace Costex for projects. So agenda for today's session. So let us have a small introduction about what is 5D BIM. So yesterday we have come across what is BIM and what is 4D BIM. So today we will see what is 5D BIM. Then what are the challenges, present challenges in industry for in estimation sector? How I2 Costex and its features will help for the challenges, benefits of digital estimation technique, and also we'll also see some of the real-time projects in I2 Costex. So I2 Costex is a complete digital estimating solution where we can do our 2D and 3D BIM estimations. So it's a product from RAB. RAB is a developer of I2 Costex software. So we all know about BIM, building information modeling, which is a concept supported by different tools and technologies. So when we adopt a BIM for a project, it is nothing but a digital representation of our physical or the functional characteristics of our project. So when we adopt a BIM, so we can enable our team members to work in a collaborative environment. So what is it collaborative environment? If you see here, so we'll have a single BIM model. So where all the people like design team, planning engineer, estimation people, or the facility management team, or the sustainable analysis team, or the site team can work around in that model itself. So that you'll be having a single model in place, and the information will be shared to that particular stakeholder. So that's why that is how BIM will help us in a collaborative environment. So we know about the 3D BIM concept. 3D is nothing but view of your 3D model view of your project. So we have a 2D drawing. So when we attach a third dimension, then we can see a 3D view, which is simply called as geometric representation. So 4D is nothing but so introducing or linking a schedule with a 3D model. That is what the 4D BIM concept, which we have covered yesterday. And now today we are going to see about 5D BIM. So 5D BIM is nothing but linking our cost information with a BIM model. So here in Costex, in addition to linking cost with the BIM model, we are also going to see how the cost can be linked with the 2D drawing also. So Costex is a solution which can be adopted at any stage of the project. Say here, roughly I have categorized as three stages. So first is the schematic or the conceptual stage of a project. So at this stage, we'll be doing a financial planning for a project. Financial planning will aid us in financial planning will aid us in like whether we are capable of going forward with the project with the ample resources and the cash flows and funds. So once we are strong enough with the schematic stage, then we'll move on to the pre-construction phase. Pre-construction phase is nothing but where we'll get the detailed drawing for the project, and we'll start to prepare a we'll start to prepare a tender estimate or the detailed estimate for the project. And once we are finalized with the estimate, what is the detailed estimate or the budget for the project, we'll move into the construction phase. So in that construction phase, we have to monitor and take care of the project schedule, also the project cost. So here in I2 Costex, you can monitor your project cost with your planned, the detailed estimate versus the actual cost. So, what are the benefits of I2 Costex or applying your digital estimation technique to the project? First, first point is you can maintain your accuracy. Accuracy in terms of the quantity calculation and also in terms of budget forecast or calculating the detailed budget for the project. Second, in terms of changes. So when we take a construction project, so frequently our design will be getting updated. Let it be a 2D drawing or let it be the BIM model, or designs will be getting updated frequently. So when we are following a digital estimation solution, so those design changes can be tracked easily with the solution. And in addition, so we can also have a costing for different scenarios with the different design changes. So that is how we can predict. So what if happens when the particular design is changed and what will be the effect of that cost. So with all these, you can streamline your project information, and you can have an increased transparency in your project. Okay, so let us see what are the challenges, present challenges in project when we work in our conventional estimation method. First is design coordination, because let it be 2D or the BIM. So first point comes into the challenges design coordination, because we have to follow multiple designs for a project. Second comes in terms of quantity check. So we may calculate quantity with the drawings or the model. So again, I have calculated the quantity, but when it comes to the project manager, he or she may find it difficult to do the quantity check with the calculation what I have did. Next challenges will be maintaining the project rates, because when you see in the present scenario, our market rates for each and every material or the labor or the equipments may get updated each and every day. So that when we maintain it in Excel, we will not be aware what is the last updated rate, and what is the last date we have updated with the present rate. So that kind of challenges arrive when we are able to maintain a rates in the conventional method. So next is collaborating the estimate. Collaborating the estimate is nothing but, say if we take a project, just for example, if we take a residential, high-rise residential project, one person may work for civil quantity calculations, one person may work for architecture quantity calculations, and another person may work for mechanical or plumbing activities. So when it comes to merging all the data, it will be difficult, because we have to combine all the Excel sheets together. So this is again another challenge of collaborating multiple people work. So next challenge is change management. So whenever a drawing or the design is getting updated, so again it is a challenge to maintain what are the revisions, how many revisions we have handled, what is the particular cost on that particular revision. So that change management is also a challenge. And finally, project review. So I'm the project manager. When a top management has to do a project review, so with the I2 Costex, we can easily review our project. So next, so we saw the challenges, what happens in the project. So when we adopt a digital estimation concept in project, how those challenges can be overcome. So let's say, for example, when we adopt an I2 Costex, digital estimation concept using I2 Costex. So first, in terms of design coordination, so we can use both 2D and BIM model in I2 Costex. For quantity check, so we are going to use an on-screen takeoff method for our quantity calculation. So this helps us to overcome the quantity check easily. The next challenge is maintaining project rates or updating with the present rates. So here you have an exclusive rate library in Costex where you can easily update with the new rate. You can easily update with the new rate, and also you can easily identify what is the date we have added the rate and what is the date we have modified. The next challenge, which is collaborating estimate of multiple people. Here we have a live link feature so that we can easily link one people estimate to the other. So next challenge is change management, which can be overcome by the revision facility in I2 Costex, and project review. So if you are using I2 Costex and if you want to share your project with a client who are not using I2 Costex, here we have a free project viewer so that anyone who are not using I2 Costex can view the project easily in project viewer. So this our solution I2 Costex is a digital estimation solution. So we also can call it as an all-in-one single integrated platform to work for an project estimate, so that we can streamline our project estimation. So key features of Costex are it helps us to work with the 2D drawing for quantity calculations. It also supports BIM model for quantity takeoff from the BIM. And auto revisioning. So when our drawing is getting or the designs is getting changed, we can easily overcome the design changes with the auto revision facility. And we have an integrated workbook to prepare our estimate. And finally, we have a report writer where we can generate reports, our own customized reports. And the Costex also increases the compatibility with other tools. So let's say when we take in case of 2D drawing, Costex supports for drawings from AutoCAD, PDF, JPEG, PNG. And when it comes to 3D model, it supports model from Revit, ArchiCAD, Tekla, MicroStation, Navisworks, etc. So here you have a dimension view module for your quantity takeoff. You have a rate library for your rate access easily to the project. Then you have an integrated workbook to prepare your cost plans of BOQs. And finally, you can generate reports, which again can be exported to PDF, RTF, Excel, image files, etc. So I was explaining about streamlining the process, streamlining the estimation process. So let's take working with the 2D design or with the BIM model. So streamlining is nothing but, so first when we take with the 2D design, here after importing your 2D design, you can directly do your quantity takeoff from the 2D drawing. And when your design is getting updated, you can use it, you can track your revisions with the auto revision facility, and you can prepare your rate analysis in Costex, and finally you can arrive your project cost. So this is what streamlining your project estimation right from your design till your cost calculation. So this, when we work with a conventional method, we'll have the drawings in separate folder in our PC. We'll have the quantity takeoff in a quantity takeoff sheet in a separate folder, and we'll have this rate in a separate sheet, and our final abstract estimate will be in a separate sheet. So all the information will be scattered when we are working with a conventional method. So the same can be streamlined when we are moving for a digital estimation solution. The same when we are using a BIM model, so you can import your BIM model, you can see your model information directly in Costex, and you can start with a quantity takeoff, and directly you can prepare your cost estimate. So this is how the entire process is streamlined in a project, so that when you open any one single project, you can instantly view your drawing, quantity, rates, and your estimates also. So this also helps us to achieve collaboration. So as I told earlier, Costex is a BIM solution, BIM based solution. So when we use a BIM solution, it helps to work in a collaborative environment. So this collaboration can be achieved in Costex with multiple level of people. So let's say I have categorized into executive or the junior level and the manager level. So if you take a single project, so the junior people will be concentrating more on the quantity calculation part, so which covers till this stage. And when we move on to the rate or project estimate, which will be taken care, be managed. So if you select one single project, both people can concentrate on different types or different on their work based scenarios. So let's take again, I have just taken the 2D design data. So again, the process, if you see here, extraction of quantity from 2D design just is made easier just by creating this template for the quantity takeoff with the customized formulas. And the method what we use here in Costex for quantity takeoff is called as on-screen takeoff method. So when we use the on-screen takeoff method, it increases the associativity. Associativity is nothing but linking or the bond between the quantities and the drawing. So whatever the changes you are making in the drawing, we can make it automatically reflect in our quantity. So in that way, bond is increased between drawing and quantity, which is not achievable with the conventional method. And also it helps you in a better integrated way to work, which improves your communication in quantity, and you can also manage, or you can also have a better change control over your drawings and quantities. So let's take, when we move to BIM takeoff, again the process here you can see, we are using a BIM model. You can see your model information, you can extract your quantity, You can easily do your quantity changes, rate, and cost estimate. So again, the difference between working with a 2D drawing and the BIM is, so you can save your time because you will be having one single model. But when you're working with 2D drawing, for this single model, you will have multiple drawings which you need to collaborate, you need to understand, and then you have to do your quantity takeoff. So in that way, you can save your time with the BIM model. So when it comes to cost estimate or budget preparation, so here with the integrated workbook and Costex, so one person can concentrate on the quantity takeoff, and the project manager or the senior QS level people can concentrate more on the estimate part with maintaining the quantity breakdowns or preparing the rate analysis from the rate file. Again, I was explaining about the design changes. So let it be with 2D or with the BIM model. Here in Cortex, we have an auto revision facility where you can compare your two different drawings or two different models with which you can easily identify what is the changes happened over your older model and with the newer model. And with this auto revision facility, you can have a clear scenario study. Scenario study is nothing but say this is the older drawing and this is my newer drawing. So this is what the changes has happened, and this is what the cost effect of cost also after the changes. So that's how you can understand your different scenarios, and it also helps in a better coordination between the client and the contractor, because the contractor will be doing the entire calculation, quantity calculation, and will be preparing the estimate. So that needs to be submitted to the client. So client also will have a better idea about what is the changes and what is the effect of cost for that particular design change. So this increase the feasibility to check the feasibility of multiple design changes in Costex. So we have seen about the auto revision facility. So I'll take you through Costex first. Okay, so let me say I have opened a 2D drawing. So this drawing contains structural and architectural file. So if you see, when we work with the 2D drawing, so I can create multiple quantity takeoff like floor wise and element wise. Let's say I have created a template for footing. Let's take I have created a template for footing. So just I can easily create this template like by mentioning the default parameters of the footing, and I'll insert the formulas, the default formulas for all the quantity calculation. So once I have given that formulas, we can directly go on tracing your footing. Say I have already taken some quantity calculation. So after tracing, you can easily identify how many number of footings or what are the footings you have quantified and what are the footings you have been missed out. Say if you just place your cursor after measurement rate, you will be able to clearly identify what is the quantity for this particular footing. So the tracing also will be easy. Say I'll just delete this particular footing. Say when I want to measure a footing, so just say that out of all the footing, this F2 footing alone is not being quantified. This you can easily identify. So just you can trace your area easily and just do a click, your quantity will be seen. So this method is what called as a on-screen takeoff method. On-screen takeoff method is nothing but say you have a drawing and you're going to extract your quantities directly from the drawing by by tracing it. So this is called as a on-screen takeoff method. Likewise, I have created for column. You can see column quantities are quantified, and you have one more advantage in Costex. Say you can view your quantity which you have calculated from 2D drawing in 3D view. Let's say I'll just show you the 3D view. So you are now seeing column. Say if I want to include footing, right? So I'll just select here the footing. So you can see footing along with the column. So this is how you can do your beam calculations, reinforcement calculations also. Say here ground floor beam. So I have measured the ones which are highlighted in green are the measured quantity. So you can see if I just place my cursor, I'll get to know what is the shuttering quantity and volume and weight. So likewise, I have calculated here the quantity is calculated for this entire project floor wise, beam, column, slab. So if I just click on the quantity, you can see it is highlighted in the drawing, in the corresponding drawing. So the same way when we go with the architecture based quantity, which I select first floor, brickwork. So when we go with the wall calculation, so there we need to do some deductions like a door or window deductions. So that you can easily do here with the negative option. Here you can see I have taken this door, which from which the window needs to be deducted. You can see this window is deducted, which is shown in red color. So and you can view this also in 3D, the your wall quantities. You can see the same way I have calculated external plastering by applying the formula. So plastering formula is nothing but length into height. You can see plastering quantity. So this 3D view actually it's not just for viewing. This also enables you or helps you in cross checking the quantity whether all the walls are being quantified, all the areas have been included under plaster or not. This is how you can use your 3D view in addition to just having a view of your project. This is about the quantity takeoff with the 2D drawing. The same when you are preparing an estimate, here you can see the project estimate cost. Say here you have multiple line items of the packages. Under structure package, if you see earthwork, concrete, shuttering, reinforcement. Under architecture package, if you see masonry works, plastering, door, windows. So if you just select any one package, say have concrete, so you can see M30 grade 274, out of which for footing, for different line items we can see. Say the unique advantage of preparing estimate and cost text is your estimate will be live linked with the source file. Source file of a project estimate is nothing but the drawing or the model, right? So here you can see this 34. If I want to open from which drawing I have quantified, right? You can just give show source. It will automatically open the drawing from where we have calculated the quantity. So let's say I want to just go and check for plastering works. So select plastering. I want to just see first floor plastering quantity. Okay, so I have selected the quantity here, show source. It will open from where we have calculated the plastering quantity. So this is what called as a live linking feature in I2 Costex. And even when you want to prepare a rate analysis, say here ceiling plastering 277, 271, just double click here, you can see the rate analysis. So these rates are also again linked from the rate library. Say when I want to see this cement rate of 350 from which rate library is being taken, right? Again and use this show source. You can see the rate library name. And cement is a common material which is being utilized for all other activities. If this rate is getting increased to say 480, right? If you update here, it will be automatically changed in your ceiling plastering, external plastering, internal plastering, your flooring works, everything, etc. So that's how this is an this live link will be helpful more in updating your quantities and your rates also. So this rate analysis we can prepare as per our requirement and with the specification. So even you can see for tile works, floor tiling with labor and with materials. So for masonry work, again you can see. So this is how we can prepare a complete estimate in I2 Costex. And if you want to generate a report, you can just go select any one type of report which you are interested. Say I want to generate summary level report or the detailed report. You can select from the report library. You can easily generate this report. Again can be saved in PDF or in other formats also. So this is with 2D. So what happens when we use a BIM model? Let's say I open a project which has been having a BIM model. Okay. So let's say I'll open a BIM model. So in I2 Costex again, and when I was explaining the estimation process, I told about we can see the information of the model or the model element in I2 Costex. Okay, so if you see, this is a project of a, so you can see there are multiple elements in the model, right? Say if I go to model, here I can easily view, say this is a metro project model. So if I want to see only exit and entry bridge, right? Just select, you can see only the bridge related information. If you want to see the station building, I'll select the building here. And also, let us say, um,
No problem.
so let us say I'll select a column or a beam. So let's say here we have a pile foundation. Just right click, you can see object property. You can see what is the road level, what is the top level, length or the, I mean the height of the pile, volume of the pile, all details you can see here. What is the shape of the pile, and even if they have added the concrete grade, right? So you can see your concrete grade also. Let's say if I take this slab or this retaining wall, you can see this is an what is the height of that wall, what is its area, length, volume. So this is an external wall which is of 200 block work AAC walls. So this is how you can easily view your information with the 3D or the BIM model. Whereas this is not possible with the 2D drawing. If you take such a big project, when you're working with the 2D drawing, it may cross more than 100, 200, 300 also. So it becomes a little difficult when you want to coordinate all drawings and you want to understand. But here you can easily understand the BIM model. That's what the difference between 2D and the BIM concept. So now when I want to extract the quantity, with 2D drawing, what we did is we traced all the columns or all the beams or all the footings, right? Here it becomes more easier. You can prepare your template as per your convenience with the formula. So once you prepare your template, just go to import, select the template. So we can automate our quantity extraction process, which saves us the time. So comparing to 2D, when we adopt a BIM for a project, it saves our time in the quantity calculation. So quantity is getting extracted. So if you see flooring quantity, lighting fixtures, pedestal, pile foundation, column quantities. This is a one-time template preparation. So when you prepare this template for one single model, so next time when you are using the same kind of BIM model for your next project, you can use this template, which will save 50% of your time and quantity calculation process. So let's take the quantities calculated here. Now, if you see, there is a folder called BIM model. I expand this folder, you can see there is a quantity calculation for column pedestal. You can see the quantities highlighted in the model also. If you take pile foundation, again that is highlighted. If I just go there, you can see whatever the quantity, the pile is highlighted. Let's take station building. In station building, there will be different types of flooring, right? So if you see the different types of flooring, again will be highlighted in the model. So if you are calculating different types of fixtures or the equipments, again you can see. If you want to particularly see that element, you can just give isolate your dimension to. So these are the light elements, what light fixtures or the floor lamp, what we have quantified. So this is how your BIM makes your process more easier and faster. So, and when it comes to quantity calculate, I mean preparing the estimate, say I will show all of this. Say the estimate, so you can directly select your quantity. Say my pile quantity is 3,539 meter cube. So So you can just give show source. So like how we saw the 2D link, I mean live linking the 2D drawing. The same way your estimate will be attached or linked with your BIM model also. Just I'm giving show source. You can see it is automatically opening the pile foundation quantity, and you can just isolate and see your quantities also. So you'll clearly able to see there are totally 320 number of piles and volume of 320 number of piles. So this is how Costex will be more useful even when you work with 2D drawing or with a BIM model. So moving back to the presentation. So we saw about I2 Costex. So now when we are discussing why we need to adopt I2 Costex for project, first in terms of measurement. So we saw both measurements with 2D, quantifications with 2D and with a BIM. So it saves our time with this kind of automatic takeoff and the live link workbook. And second, with the auto revisioning feature, we can compare two different drawings and the two different models to identify our changes easily rather than depending on the architect or the design team. And finally, we have a report writer, so where we can generate our own reports, customize the professional reports instantly when we want to submit for a project. And we also saw the estimating workbook or the spreadsheet based workbook. So it is an integrated one. So where it helps you to reduce cost overruns because you can maintain your accuracy in quantity takeoff and in your estimate. So it helps you in ensuring greater certainty or accuracy in your project. And we saw this complete solution is a digital estimated solution. So we can avoid all paper transaction or the entire estimation, we can make it in a paperless way. And finally, Costex is a solution which helps us to collaborate with our team more effectively with a network option so that multiple people can work on the same project at the same time. So clients of I2 Costex, so there are multiple clients like real estate developers, quantity surveillance team, cost consultants, and contractor companies also. So like some of our clients are GMR who are using Costex for infrastructure projects, Earth Design, Soban, Invicara, Neo, WT Partnership, ACOM, Arcadis, Mace, Turner and Townsend, Blease. So these people are cost consultants where they use Costex for Indian projects and also for the overseas project. So Shapurji, Panaji, ST Corp, QTS, Quantum Reality, they also adopted Costex for their project estimation. So some of the real-time projects where Costex has been utilized by different contractor or the real estate developers. So if you say, just for example, your Sarova project, which is located in Mumbai, it's a combination of residential and commercial project. So where Costex has been utilized for the complete quantity takeoff and preparing the estimate. So next, when it comes to an infrastructure projects, so GMR, where they have adopted Costex for Hyderabad International Project for one of the terminal building. And in Chennai Commerce Zone, which is a business IT park, which is being carried forward by K. Raheja, where Costex has been deployed for the complete project estimate calculation. So you can see some of the testimonials from our clients of I2 Costex from MMC, Gamuda, KVMRT. So what they felt is Costex increased the speed of their quantification comparatively with the traditional method. And ACOM, one of the global cost consultant, again, they have shared their experience that Costex enhanced functionality and easy to use solution so that it helps to ultimately their clients, they can look to continually improve their services. And GMR, where their vision about Costex is, they felt Costex is a perfect solution for the QS. So benefits of the digital estimation techniques. We saw about Costex and how I2 Costex will be useful for our projects. So when we come to the overview like benefits of digital estimation technique, first, when we are moving from the conventional method to the digital method, we can standardize our complete estimation process, right from the drawing, handling drawings till generating reports to our project. So that if we take a single project, all our information will be stored in one single place rather than having a scattered places. Then second point is you can increase your speed and accuracy in completing your project. The third point, it will help you in a easier and faster budget creation for your project, and you have a clear tracking of revisions and report generation, so where it will help you to submit more professional proposals to the client. And since it's working based on the database, you can maintain your project historical data so that you can instantly access at any point of time. Later on, if you want to access your project which has been done 2 years before or 3 years before, you can instantly access from your database. So that's what the advantage of digital estimation technique, so that all your project information will be stored in a secure environment. So it will not be a file based project. So that's about Costex and the digital estimation technique. So second, we have our own guest speaker who is an existing Costex user. So we welcome Miss Fahima Haroon. So she is an quantity surveyor with experience of more than 8 years in the construction industry. So she is presently associated with Turner International in Bangalore. She is an expertise in quantity takeoff, tendering for projects and preparing estimation for the project. So she has experience in working with multiple projects and multiple size of projects like high-rise building, commercial projects like malls, hospitals, infrastructure project like resort, hospitality center projects, etc. And not only she has experience with Indian Indian organization, she also has Gulf experience, working experience in Gulf projects like companies called IPC, UNEC, etc. So now it's my pleasure to welcome Miss Fahima Haroon to deliver her guest lecture about Costex and what are the benefits of Costex for the projects when we adopt it. Ma'am, we welcome you, ma'am. So you
Thank
can
you.
start delivering your speech, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Janani. Thank you for this kind words. And I would like to add to this, I am a student of IP MCS. I was a student there, which helped me to get into Turner and I'm right now in Turner. So I'm happy to be the alumni of IPCMS too. So I would like to thank you for inviting me and associating me for today's program. See, I am here to say a few words about the importance of the software available in the construction industry, or mainly the Costex which is available in the industry. At present situation where we are not able to go to office, and where we are like inside the home, not able to go to the site and work. At this point, we are still working just because of this software which is available. One of like which help all the estimator to align together, and the construction team with the cloud-based data management, which saves time creating competitive bids by performing more accurate 2D takeoff and generating automatic quantity from 3D. I would say it is Costex. Seriously, we are able to do our work at the present situation just because of Costex at our company, so the work doesn't stop. With my experience, I would like to say in short, it is all-in-one streamlined software for quantity surveyor. It measures, it costs, and it ties both of them together with ease and automation. Previously, I was working with on Excel spreadsheet, I can say. And I really understand the importance of Costex after working in the Excel sheet and really know the difference between the both. Seriously, it's a huge difference, I can say. See, if we example, like if we take a project where there is a revision, naturally when there is a tendering process, there's lots of revision happening. So when there is a revision process, a revision of a project cost or a drawing, we had to remeasure and start from the scratch for the Excel sheet, which usually take a week to a month, particularly for larger and complex projects. But using this Costex, I can say it is saving up to nearly 50 to 80%, I can say, it saves the time. In some cases, it saves nearly to 80% if it's a small project. Now, Costex can compare old and new drawing also. That is the best part of it. It can compare and say where is the exact changes which has been made by the client. And we need just to focus on that, and we need to take out the quantity takeoff from that point. We did not do from the scratch as we usually do for the Excel spreadsheet. So I could say, as Janani was previously telling, paper pages also. See, it usually saves lots of pages. During manual calculation, I could say we used to take printouts on printouts, where here we can directly go and measure whatever is required just by a click. It is really comfortable and really easy to measure. So I would really recommend this Costex for all the people who's in this over here listening to me. I would like to say I don't want to prolong too much. I would just like to conclude by this small note to all the aspirant or the future planner, the quantity surveyor or the estimator. It is high time we have to upgrade our skills on this modern construction, as really the future is depending on it. I would like to conclude by thanking all the people involved in this webinar and inviting me and giving me the opportunity to share my experience. And I would like to thank all the students also who's patiently listening. I'm sure they would have been just waiting, and wishing you all the success and all the best. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your interesting speech regarding Costex.
Thank you, Janani. Actually, it was possible just because of you, I could say all, Janani.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So we have seen about how projects will be benefited when we adopt Costex. So some of the services, professional training services offered by IPMCS and I2 Costex. So we provide training services on I2 Costex Fundamental and I2 Costex Advanced training. So we also provide a product-based training. So suppose if you are interested in taking training only on Costex 2D part, we are providing I2 Costex 2D. And if you're interested in BIM, we are providing I2 Costex training with a BIM solution. And we're also providing role-based training for quantity surveyors, for estimators, contractor, on the side of contractor or for the senior management people. So in addition, we are also into estimation QS recruiting services. So, and also we do provide estimation services on the pre-construction and the post-construction stage for the project. We also recruit QS or building engineers, project coordinators, planning or the schedule engineers, which comes under staff augmentation services. So we are also providing internship for students. We provide project management internship with MS Project and Primavera Basics. We also provide project management internship with 4D BIM concepts with Power Project, which we saw earlier, yesterday. Cost estimation internship with 2D concept in I2 Costex 2D. Cost estimation internship with 5D BIM with I2 Costex. We are also providing a theoretical internship, like what is BIM and how is BIM useful for construction projects in all the aspects, in the modeling, in the planning aspect, in the estimation aspect, right till facility management as essentials of BIM. Some of the highlights and benefits of our internship program. So once a student has been selected for internship, they'll get an exposure towards industry practices. So they'll get an experience to lively interact with the expert. They'll be trained by industry experts, and they will have an opportunity to explore some of the real-time case studies. We'll also support them in internship or the project report creation, And some of the benefits are they'll receive software for the training and practice purpose. Once he or she completes her internship, so we'll be providing them the course completion certificate and also the internship experience letter. In addition, we are also serving as an external project support where we'll guide the students as an external support for 3 to 6 months on a weekly or monthly review basis. So once again, thank you everyone. So we are Infinity PNC Solutions Private Limited. So if you have, you can reach us at info@ipmcs.in. If you have any questions, you can post in the chat box or you can unmute and ask your questions.
Thank you, Janani ma'am. Participants, you can post your questions or you can open up your mic and ask.
So students, if you have any questions, you can unmute and you can share with me or you can share it in the chat box also related to I2 caustics or related to the estimation process.
So if you have any queries and for further collaboration, kindly contact the shown contact IDs. You can mail them or you can directly contact them through mobile if you have queries and if you need any collaboration.